Good morning dear students. Now welcome to today's class. In our today's class we'll discuss a new topic, that is issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. In our earlier classes we had already discussed the issue of debentures for cash, and now we'll discuss the issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. It means that company has not received amount in cash or by check against the debentures issued. Here, in way of issuing the debentures, company has not received any amount of cash or check on way of issuing the debentures. Now, debentures may be issued for consideration other than cash in the following situations. Now, first one, that is issue of debentures to promoters. In way of incorporation or commencement of business, promoters do certain expenses that is known as preliminary expenses or incorporation expenses, and these all expenses will have to pay to the promoters after the commencement of business. So for that purpose, the journal entry is incorporation expenses or preliminary expenses account debit to promoters account. Incorporation expenses payable. And right now the second entry is promoters account debit to debentures account. We are issuing the debentures to promoters in way of compensation. Whatever he has incurred or she has incurred in way of incorporation expenses or preliminary expenses at the time of commencement of company. So for that particular compensation, the company issue the debentures to the promoters for that purpose. So here promoters account debit to debentures account. Now certain percent debentures allotted to promoters. Now proceed towards the another one, that is issue of debentures to underwriters. Who is underwriters? Underwriters are the persons who undertake to subscribe the securities that are not subscribed by the public. That means whenever the company issue the securities, that securities being not issued by the public, in that particular situation or circumstances, the underwriters purchases the securities for certain fee. For that purpose, the journal entry is underwriting commission account debit to underwriters. Here underwriting commission payable. And for that particular underwriting commission, the company issue debentures to underwriters for their compensation or for their commissions. So here underwriters account debit to certain percent debentures account. Debentures issued to underwriters. And now comes towards the third point, that is issue of debentures to vendors. Sometimes company purchase the assets from vendors, and for that purpose company doesn't pay cash to the vendors. In way of getting the assets, in consideration of these all things, company pay or issue the shares or debentures to the vendors. So journal entry for this, when company purchase assets, sundry assets account debit to vendors account. Purchase of sundry assets. Now second thing, that is issue of debentures to vendors. So journal entry for that, vendors account debit to 13% debentures account. Here debentures issued to vendors. For consideration of getting sundry assets, the company issue the debentures to the vendors. Company may issue debentures to the vendors at par, at premium or at discount. So let's discuss this topic with a question. Now you can see here, that is Bose Limited purchase assets of 9,90,000 from Bhagat and Company. So here Bhagat and Company is a vendor from whom Bose Limited purchases the assets of rupees 9,90,000. Now payment was made by issuing 11% debentures of rupees 100 each. Past journal entries when debentures have been issued at par, at premium of 10% or at discount at 10%. At par, that means one debenture being issued at 100 rupees. At premium, that means one debenture being issued at 100 plus 10, that means one debenture's value will be 110 rupees. And at discount, that means one debenture being issued at less than 10 rupees. That means 100 minus 10, that is at the rate of 90 rupees each. So comes towards the solution. Here the solution: Journal of Bose Limited, purchase of assets. The journal entry is assets account debit to Bhagat and Company. Sundry assets purchased from Bhagat and Company for rupees 9,90,000. 9,90,000 in our debit side and 9,90,000 in our credit side. Now proceed towards the issuing the debentures to the vendors in view of consideration. So first one, that is issue of debentures at par. Bhagat and Company account debit to 11% debentures account. Allotment of 9,900, 11% debentures of ₹100 each at par to Bhagat and Company. That is what are 9,90,000 and 9,90,000 rupees. Now comes toward the second situation, that is issue of debentures at premium. Now we are issuing the debentures at premium. It means one debenture value is 110 rupees. And we'll have to pay how much amount to Bhagat and Company? That is what are 9,90,000. So 9,90,000 divided by 110, that means company will have to issue, that is 9,000, 11% debentures to Bhagat and Company. And for this, journal entry is Bhagat and Company account debit to 11% debentures account to securities premium reserve account. Bhagat and Company, that is what are 9,90,000 to 11% debenture, that means 9,000 debentures into 100 each, that is 9 lakhs, and the securities premium reserve, that is what are 9,000 debentures into 10 rupees per debenture, that is 90,000. Now proceed towards the another one, that is issue of debentures at discount. Right now we'll have to pay how much amount to Bhagat and Company? That means 9,90,000. And we are issuing our debentures at discount. It means the par value or nominal value of that particular debenture is 100 rupees. And at discount, its value after deducting the 10 rupees is 90. It means one debenture value is 90 rupees and we'll have to pay 9,90,000. So how much debenture we will issue to Bhagat and Company? That means 9,90,000 divided by 90. The total number of debentures is 11,000. So the journal entry for this, Bhagat and Company account debit, that is 11,000 into 90, the amounting to rupees 9,90,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit, that means 11,000 into 10, that is 1,10,000, and to 11% debentures account, that means 11 lakhs into 100 rupees, that is 11 lakh rupees. So 11,000, 11% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10% to Bhagat and Company. And this amount of discount which is being issued at discount on issue of debentures being write off at the end of the year, and will transfer this discount on issue of debentures to statement of profit and loss account. And for this, the journal entry is statement of profit and loss debit to discount on issue of debentures account. Here we are doing the write-off entry, or we are doing the return of the amount of discount on issue of debentures for rupees 1,10,000 and 1,10,000. So that's all for today's class. We had discussed the debentures issued for consideration.